Open up the presents. Maddie, give Madeline one.
It's a dog bowl! It's a dog bowl! It's a dog bowl! It's a dog bowl! Where's the puppy? Is it in here? What?
Oh no. Santa?
Really?
You did this?
It's a dog bed!
It's a geopet.
Yes,
Put
it
the water in
says
the
this
bowl.
one, and that one. Where's the puppy?
No, I don't think that's how you open a thing.
Where's the puppy?
No, it's not.
There's flashes.
That's not how you open it, bud.
there's two
There's
dog
a,
beds.
there's a,
There's 2 dog beds.
no, that's,
It's a horse.
that's not how you open it. That's not how you open it.
Guys, it's dog toys. Where's our puppy?
Do you
Where is
see
he?
the front?
What?
Look at the front. Turn around. That's the back.
Oh,
Now you've got totally taken apart.
there's a note. There's a note. It's the-
Madeline, go by the
there's a picture
kids.
there. There's a picture. Go see.
Now you probably wrecked the cage so you can't get it open.
Here, bring it to Dad.
Open it this way. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Show Mandy.
This one won't matter. Your Christmas wishes being granted. Puppy and dog
Shh.
I'm
Nate.
having a day with her mama. So tomorrow morning you can go to something kennel and appear to pick her up. Here's a picture of her. Isn't she cute? Please love her and take good care of her. Love, Santa.
Santa's
What kind of dog
dead.
is it?
Santa's dead meat.
What kind of dog is it?
I don't know. Let me see.
Yes, we got a puppy! Yes!
You look super little.
Wait, so it's just a baby because it has to stay with its mama?
Well, it sounds like
I
it.
think it's brand new.
Puppy I picked out for you.
Are you recording? Because that's in my eyes.
Let me see. Let me see what you. Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know. Is it a boy or a girl?
Look at the note. I don't know. What does it say?
It's a girl!
Well, with a pink bowl, I would hope so, or it's gonna feel weird.
It's a girl, Manny, and it has 3 beds.
Gee, now
One for each
you
room.
can all take turns taking it outside to go potty.
In the middle of the night, Santa is on my naughty list.
Oh my god.